Trying to get this started. Hello everyone, welcome to the backyard of the 123 Taste. I had a rough night, so I decided to make a hangover burger today. I feel like this guy, Scully. Real easy. We got some meat, got the bacon, that waffles, syrup, sriracha mayo, some tater tots, and some expensive ass eggs. Start with the meat, just open it up. Where is it? Whatever, it's right there. Just some hard plastic. God. Let me open it. Don't record that. God. Found a freaking tool. A mess. So real easy. Start with the meat. Right, lay it on the pan. That going. Real easy. Some add the seasoning. You know, beef, that flavorful meat. You know, I use Flavor Bomb Burger. Make sure you get it nice and even, both sides. Get it going. Oh yeah, that looks delicious already. Got the mini tater tots. We're gonna put in the air fryer. Everyone has an air fryer 400 for 16 minutes. And then this, just toast it up in your toaster. Real easy. Grab a skillet, some basic bacon. Go ahead and throw that in there. A few strips for your delicious ultimate hangover burger. And just hear that sizzle. That's that delicious sizzle. Look at that, baby. Woo! That's gonna be delish. All right, so just crack the egg on the same bacon fat right there. Real delicious right there. Hey, for those who don't know, this is a must-have at the house if you love to grill, smoke, grill, whatever. This right here, the Master Built, is a must. For those cheese lover, here you go. Just add a cheese, whatever you prefer. Provolone, cheddar, Swiss. Wow, look at that, guys. Woo. That's fire. Fire. Got the waffles. Real easy prep. Grab the burger. Started with the burger first layer. Add your egg. Add a bacon strip. Put the tater tots. Oh yeah. That's gonna be amazing. Whatever. So sriracha, mayo sriracha, look at that. Woo! Put the other layer. Put the other layer. And why not? Top it with some drizzle, some syrups. Look at that, baby. Get out of here. We're not playing today, man. Hangover's over. Look at that. Ooh. Mmm. It's over.